Hey, my cuzzies. Oh, I'm at the tātahi anō, just enjoying a little snack. Oh, it's a beautiful day out here in the taiao. Hey, what's that? Rubbish. That's it. Pasaka's back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're cleaning up the whenua. Hoake tātou. Oh. Ooh, I found another little bit of rubbish.
You're coming with me.
Cleaning up the whenua. Hey!
I can see you, rubbish. You're coming with me too.
Yeah. It's really important to clean up your rubbish, whānau. We're kaitiaki. We got to look after all of our atua. Katoa. Come on. Oh, found another piece, cuzzies. Oh, check that out, cuzzies. I filled up a whole bag full of rubbish. Oh, where? Well, I'm off on my next mission. Hey, te aki te whenua. Ka kite anō. Is that a giraffe?